Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to use Google Drive as a music player. This is great if we want to store and stream our personal music online. This tutorial starts from the Google Drive dashboard. To play audio on Google Drive, we first need to upload the file. To do that, we start by clicking the New button in the upper left corner. This is where we import files from our desktop into Google Drive. Then, we select the file by clicking File Upload, choose Show All Files, and find the audio files we want to upload to Google Drive. Once we have selected the file, we simply click Open. When the upload is done, the file will appear here. To play it, we just double-click the MP3 and it will start playing automatically. As we can see, the audio is now playing in Google Drive. This is a simple way to upload, organize, and play music directly from Google Drive using its built-in playback feature. And that is how we use Google Drive as a music player.